Do you want to know one of the key secrets to building real wealth? It's creating multiple streams of income. The wealthy don't rely on just one source of money. Welcome to today's video where we'll explore exactly how wealthy individuals build these multiple streams of income and how you can start doing it too. In this video, we'll uncover the mindset, the strategies, and the specific income streams you can develop to create financial security and accelerate your wealth building journey. It doesn't matter your current income level. This video is designed to empower you to take control and create a more diverse and secure financial future. The mindset of multiple income streams. Before we dive into specific income streams, let's discuss the mindset that drives wealthy individuals to create multiple income streams. It's not about greed. It's about security, opportunity, and leverage. Wealthy people understand that one income is a risk. Relying solely on a job makes you vulnerable to layoffs, economic downturns, or company instability. Time is valuable. You only have so many hours in a day, and a single job limits your earning potential based on time. Opportunities abound. The world is full of opportunities to generate income. You just need to look for them. Active income versus passive income. It's crucial to understand the difference between active and passive income. Active income. This is income you earn by directly trading your time for money. For example, a salary, hourly wages, freelance work where you are directly performing a service. Passive income. This is income that requires minimal ongoing effort after the initial setup. For example, rental income, dividends, online course sales. While active income is important for stability, passive income is the key to building long-term wealth and achieving financial independence. Building income stream number 1. Optimize your current job. The first step is to maximize your income from your existing job. Don't overlook this vital foundation. Negotiate a raise. Research your market value and confidently ask for a raise based on your performance and contributions. Seek promotions. Take on more responsibilities, develop new skills, and actively pursue promotions within your company. Side hustle with skills. Leverage skills from your job in a freelance capacity during off hours to generate extra active income. Example, a graphic designer could take on freelance clients. Building income stream number 2, investing in dividend-paying assets. A cornerstone of wealthy individuals' income strategy is investing in assets that generate passive income. Dividend stocks. Research and invest in companies that consistently pay dividends. These are regular cash payments distributed to shareholders. Real estate rental properties. Purchasing rental properties can provide a steady stream of passive income after covering expenses like mortgage payments, property taxes, and maintenance. Peer-to-peer lending. Platforms that allow you to lend money to individuals or businesses in exchange for interest payments. Building income stream number 3, creating and selling digital products. In the digital age, creating and selling online products is a powerful way to generate passive income. Online courses. If you have expertise in a particular area, create an online course and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Ebooks. Write an ebook on a topic you're passionate about and sell it on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Templates and digital assets. Design and sell templates, graphics, music, or other digital assets online. Building income stream number 4, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves partnering with businesses to promote their products or services and earning a commission on each sale made through your unique affiliate link. Start a blog or a website. Create valuable content around a specific niche and promote relevant affiliate products. Utilize social media. Share affiliate links on your social media platforms, but be transparent and only promote products you genuinely believe in. Building income stream number 5, royalties and licensing. If you're a creative individual, you can generate passive income through royalties and licensing. Music royalties. If you write music, register your songs with a performance rights organization to earn royalties when your music is played publicly. Photography licensing. Sell your photos on stock photography websites and earn royalties each time someone licenses your images. Inventions and patents. If you invent something, consider patenting it and licensing the rights to a company for a royalty fee. Important considerations and avoiding pitfalls. Before diving into multiple income streams, keep these important points in mind. Start small and focus. Don't try to do everything at once. Begin with 1 or 2 income streams and focus on building them effectively. Reinvest profits. Don't spend all the money you make from your side hustles. Reinvest a portion of your profits to grow your income streams further. Be aware of taxes. Understand the tax implications of each income stream and keep accurate records. Building multiple streams of income is not about getting rich quick. It's about creating long-term financial security and freedom. By adopting the right mindset, understanding the difference between active and passive income, and implementing the strategies we've discussed, you can start building your own diversified income portfolio and take control of your financial future. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more financial empowerment content. Now go out there and start building those income streams.